What is going on, YouTubers? I'm here to make a quick video about these headsets. And so this became rather unpleasant and sudden after a while, and I thought I had to buy new headphones, but little did I know that for about $13 subscription, you get these. And I just wanted to show you, you don't need to be any tech whiz. It's as simple as literally I grab this corner here, and as you can tell, I just start to pull back on this and it comes off. Just that easy. I didn't realize that all it is just held by this little flap right here, and it comes off. As you can tell, I set those aside. Same thing with this one. I just grab this corner right over here, actually just right over here. Look, you can see how easily it slides off. So now let's see if it's that easy to put them actually on. Figure out how to get these on, and is it hard? So on a realistic pace, let's see, just kind of got to slide it behind, it seems like, right in these little crevices. Now I must say, I don't believe these are direct replacements, but they come up. I'm going to include what Corsair headsets I have. Now see, I must say, definitely came off a lot easier than they came on. Now that tends to be all right, so I could say that as far as my review goes, I could definitely tell that these are a little bit, as you can see, the other ones were nice and tight. I'm going to see how they feel. They definitely smell a lot better, which is kind of what I was going for. They look okay. That is the one that I bought. So real quick blooper here. Alright, well, as you can see, they definitely don't look the same. So I just want to show one thing as a true honest update. Even after the use, you can see how these kind of are all smooth around, right? These are a bit smooth. Well, these, I don't know if it's just because they're new, but I hope this scrunch here doesn't, I don't feel this on my ear. I really don't want to feel this scrunching. So this is kind of like an honest review here. You can see that yourself. And let's see when I put them on. They don't feel terrible. I can't feel that. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.